I'd like for us to talk about something that we Christians are often accused of doing. Hope you are doing well. We Christians are often accused of always inviting people to church, dragging them for our programs and whatnot. The reason is simple. When you find something good, something so good that you can't believe you have it, you can't help but to share with everybody. And the easiest way we share with you is to take you to the source for you to experience it yourself. We ladies, when we get a good shoe, we get a good bag, and we get the source for the good shoes and the good bag, we can't help but to take people to where we had it. That's the same thing we Christians replicate. We have a good thing, we just want you to come and experience it. When you experience it yourself, there's no need for a lot of words. Take the Samaria woman for example. After she had an encounter with Christ, she couldn't help but run to the town to bring everybody to come and meet him. Granted, the place we call church now, where all Christians gather regularly, isn't exactly Christ, but it's the number one place Christ can be found. And when Christians gather like that, the Holy Spirit comes so strongly that you can't help but encounter it. So I like to tell my fellow Christian brethren that never feel shy to invite anybody to your church. Do it in a polite and a nice way. Ideally, you should tell them about Christ and give them the opportunity of having a relationship with him. That way, as you take them to church, they build on that foundation. But do as you are led. You are not doing anything wrong, you are rather doing something good. To my brethren of the other faith, when we invite you to church, it's not that we hate you or we are trying to judge you or condemn you. No, on the contrary, we love you so much that the greatest thing that ever happened to us, we want you to also have the privilege of experiencing it. When we give you an invitation, just come. Come with an open heart. No one will judge you, but you will definitely hear the truth. With that, I would like to know, would you come to church with me?